Welcome back to the channel, and I am still in Florida at that same ranch from our previous video. This time around I'm riding the new scooter, and up ahead of me riding the King Bull Light Rider 2.0 is my daughter Lisa. So we're going to tackle the same trail that I went on, but this time I'm on the scooter. And this is the new, let's see, I forget the letters. It's QLIFE, I believe. Is that right? Max Pro? I think that's QLIFE. I forget now. I think that's what I'm riding. Anyway, we are still in the same place. Defuniak Springs, just outside on a 1,000-acre ranch here riding. Pretty cool. I love this. The freedom. No worries about laws. Like I mentioned on a previous video, that this is the, if I had a area to ride like this, I had 1,000 acres, I would definitely get myself a Talaria or a Saran, because this is the place that those bikes would really shine, in my opinion. And no worries about whether they're legal or not. In this situation, they are obviously legal off-road. One thing about riding a scooter as opposed to riding a bike, you pretty much have to keep two hands on the bar, on the handlebar, because it's harder to control it with one hand. Plus you have the throttle. You're not pedaling this like a bike, so. This scooter, the one downside to it is it does not have a suspension. I think this is one little vehicle that I would like to have a full suspension on. I can tell you that for sure. Especially riding in this kind of terrain. You would definitely want a full suspension. There's no suspension on this one. Yeah, I thought there would be one on the other side, but I couldn't find one. So, you gonna ride down to the end? Yeah. When you get to that water where there's like water and mud, just go on the grass side on the left. Yeah, there's no way to get down to that water down there, that pond over there. But apparently there's crocodiles there. I'd like to check that out, but there's no way to get in there. I don't know what the field's like, and I can't get through the fence anyway. It's a barbed wire. If you're wondering where I'm at, this is a friend of ours from here in Florida, so it's actually their place. It's actually the people that we're visiting. We're not staying here, but we're visiting them, and they are, it's their brother's ranch. It's a little tricky. Like I say, this thing would be nice to have a full suspension. Of course, if you want that though on a scooter, you're going to pay for a good suspension. You're going to pay extra bucks. And this scooter, as it is a $1,000 scooter. So you're looking at $700 more to get a good suspension, full suspension. here. Long grass. Not a problem. Now this scooter is pretty durable too. Like I say, the only thing missing is a suspension. If you're going to do any off-road like this, you don't want to be riding one that doesn't have any suspension. I mean, you can do it. It's doable. I've ridden before and stuff like this, but it's not the most comfortable thing to ride in the world, but it's not bad. I mean, it's up to you how much you can tolerate. Like, I don't mind it, but I would prefer a suspension. Yep, unfortunately this is as far as we can go. How was it?
I kind of remember it going that way a little bit before, but they might have different gates closed and different gates open.
Yeah, I just kept on going wherever it was open. Yeah. But you're right, maybe on other times they have. Yeah, but how was your ride?
Good, it's fun.
It's pretty good, yeah. Just getting around that mud was tricky. First time I came down checking all this out, I only went to there and then went back because I thought, oh, I'm not going to be able to get through there. And then I thought, I came back again and I thought I'm going to try going around on that grass. And the grass wasn't really muddy, so there was no problem.
The bumpy parts, my instinct is to stand up because that's what I do on my bike.
Yeah.
But I'm thinking it might be terrible to stand up on these bikes. I don't know.
I lift up a little bit when I know there's bump coming, but sometimes you don't know it's coming. This thing, you feel everything because there's no suspension. That has a front suspension, and then the fat tires help to absorb. But this doesn't have any. I was saying on the video that if this had a full suspension, this would be great. But it's not bad. I mean, it's how much you can tolerate, you know. I don't mind it, but some people probably wouldn't like that jarring and stuff.
Definitely not preferred for off-road.
No, it's not. If you're going to do that, you'd want to get one that has a suspension for sure.
Ooh, all right. Struggle to get going on the grass?
Yeah. No, I was doing that. I was holding it back. It can do wheelies and everything. Look. Okay, and we're heading back now. That was as far as we could go on this particular trail, but the other ones are all gated and closed, so any other options are out right now. But it was fun to ride as far as we could. I'm always up for a bike ride or a scooter ride, and it's always fun to go kind of a little adventurous in places and locations that you've never been before. That's always fun. You know, it adds to it. I mean, riding is fun anyway, but when you can go new places and be adventurous doing it, like on this off-roading, that's really cool. Oh. Sometimes you can't tell a bump's coming and then you hit it and it's like, oh, when you've got no suspension. fun ride on the scooter with my daughter Lisa on the King Bull Light Rider 2.0. Hope you enjoyed that. And that was this time the scooter ride, as I mentioned, on here in Florida. So if you like this video, go ahead and hit the like button. If you would like to subscribe to the channel, thank you very much. Just hit that subscribe button. If you want to be notified as to when the next video comes up on the channel, just hit that notification bell. And if you want to leave a comment on this or any other videos that you've seen on the channel, go ahead and leave that in the comments below. Again, thank you for joining me on this video. And until next time, be safe everyone, and keep your wheels on the road. See you later.